Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's a beautiful day here in Western PA. Fortunately, tomorrow it's gonna go down to like 35 or something, and I think Thursday it's gonna be 30. It's gonna be April, and it's gonna be 30s the high. It's like, ugh. We're back in the garage. We've been in the garage all day. We actually haven't been filming much. We just pushed Tom's rear end out on his car. But what we got going on now is windshield guy came this morning. You might be able to notice my windshield is now gone, but for some reason every time I go to do one thing on this car I gotta do 20 things. So windshield might be gone, but now it's time to address all of the damaged areas. This was leaking before, so I knew it was bad. I thought it was just a seal, but I didn't expect all this rust and bubbles and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be fun doing that. And then down here, it's a little ugly here too, but we're gonna fix it. It's all gonna get addressed. Tom's inside starting to take apart my interior. Kind of sucks because I just put most of the center console stuff back in for the e-brake install, but yeah, so far so good. The stuff's all been removed before, so most of the clips are broke, which make it really easy to do. And yeah, so we're just going to keep tearing apart the inside, and then this car will also be going to Dave Nashwinter, aka Drift Daddy, for a cage.
Know about this thing? I'm just gonna leave this in here, I think.
Yeah,
I don't want to take this off. It looks fragile. Then I don't know. Does this even work?
No. Yeah, the heat does.
I'm gonna leave it like that. Everything else unplugged from there. I think you gotta take this shit out. But I'll let you break it. No fuss in that.
I'm sitting here like awkward spots and rip the fuck out of my pants. Every fucking time I'm in a car, I rip my pants. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take off all this trim.
Go ahead and do this.
And we'll catch you up after.
So, we are moving along quick. We're getting real good at this. We've got all this stuff. This takes like no time to take out, all that stuff. Cory's over here trying to get the steering wheel plastics, or the steering column plastics, out. Don't mind my dryer. It's over there thumping away. But not much left other than to unplug all of these switches. There's 2 bolts in there that you want to take out. We drop those. Then we're going to take this out, unplug all that, unplug the cluster, and Cory should have that off. There you go. They like clip together. Squeeze it together.
Tell me there's not one fucking all the way up in there.
There's not.
There is.
Alright, there is.
Dude, this fucking car got every bolt still on it.
Look at all the extra ones we have.
$300.
Yeah, if you want some OEM nuts, bolts, and screws.
On a real note, if you have a non-HUD dash, I will trade you. It has one crack right here.
That ain't nothing.
Nothing. HUD works. My
Yeah.
Speedo just don't work. But it all works. I'll actually give the dash with it too, because I got a special dash.
Cluster.
So I have 2 things in my glove box: insurance and registration, and it looked like something ate it, and I was just like, oh, okay. But something literally found the nest. So, yes, officer, I do have my insurance. It's just shredded up into little pieces of paper.
Probably got some baby mice in there.
Yeah. Who knows?
They're probably dead. did a good job showing your information.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't get the QR code.
Took some of your insulation.
Made a nice little cozy little bed for himself, eh?
Yeah, fuck. Alright, so none of this shit's coming out yet. I'm pretty sure there's
We're
2 bolts
still
down in here.
sturdy as fuck everywhere, so we're gonna keep looking and we will catch you up then.
She gone. There was legitimately every bolt that Nissan put in this car in that dash. And it was already out once before. I don't know who puts that much effort into things, but lots of work there, boys.
So, dash out. All that's left really is the headliner, the light up in the front, and the rear, but
Really easy stuff.
pretty ready, yeah. What is this shit?
That's all for your pyrometer that you have.
Yeah. Just
Exhaust gauge. He's got an exhaust temp gauge.
Alright, so we went ahead, we removed the headliner, we removed the dash, the center console, the rear stuff. The only thing we didn't remove is like third brake lane stuff, but I actually think that we will be fine with leaving that in there. I hope, Dave, I'm sorry if you want that removed. I really am. Battery, that's staying too, yeah. I don't feel like moving that. Car looks good though. I can't wait to paint it. I am really upset about this. Like, I can put my finger through that. So this all is going to need fixed. This is going to need fixed. It's a shame. The whole car is fine. Except this one area. So I have to fix that. And then I have to fix it up there. But, I mean, realistically, for a 32-year-old car, it looks very good. Like, these are all fine. I was really worried about these. Like, those are fine. Everything else is fine. It's just weird that floor, I think it was just leaking. It was leaking here. I put new mirrors on. It stopped leaking ever since. And now it's just like, you know. This right here, I'm going to hit as well. Fix that. So, a lot of little just, like, corrections here and there. But as far as stripping the car, it's pretty much done. We are actually going to wrap it up for the day. We will be back tomorrow. Yeah. So, a little more to do here, and then it's ready for you, Dave. If you're ready to watch us smash doors because we are caging our car. It's finally going to happen. Tom is upstairs. I'm down here. I'm fucking starving. So, I'm going to wrap it up here. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give this video a like. Go ahead, comment, ask away questions. I mean, we always answer questions. I wish there was more questions to answer. So definitely, if you made it this far of the video, drop a comment, say what's up. Reach out to us, say hi. We like engaging with our viewers. So yeah, subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Peace.